Today is Teach You Cut Apart tool. Can be unfolded in direction, remove margins. It is used to collar, lotus leaf, large swing skirts, etc. Left button box select all lines. Right-click to end. Select fixed line. Select stretched line. Select the wide lines. Right-click on the fixed side. Write numbers. Choose each or total. Select type. Click OK to end. Click Shift to switch to expand up and down. Left button box select all lines. Right-click to end. Left-click upper line and down line. Right-click to display dialog. Edit lines. Select each or total. Edit up and down. Choose type. Click OK. Thanks for watching.